Hello friends, now let us take up 4.13 concept, enums with switch. Actually, if you study C++, you know enum. Enum is is nothing but a set of integer constants. A set of integer constants are enums. Here, same name is being used, but this is much advanced one. Here, like objects and all that, like classes and all that, enum is a reference type, and in forthcoming chapters we discuss the features and functionalities of enum. Here, I am not concentrating on enum, and here, like in previous concept, how we are able to give wrapper class object to a switch as an argument. Here, enum uh, elements also we can give as an argument to for the switch statement. That only I want to tell you. I want to explain in this context. I don't want to go in detail for enum and all that. Then we are totally distracted. One thing you remember, as far as the previous concept and this concept is concerned, as a thumb rule you understand. You understand. Actually, these are the additional functionalities of the statement. That extent is enough. Whenever we discuss wrapper clauses, then especially focus. When we discuss enums, then you specially focus on this. That is the strategy. It is very difficult to explain Java concept, most concepts independently, because those are linked with the future concepts. Future concepts. So how can I justify that? That's why I have taken this. I have opted this strategy. So for future elements, I give a simple briefing, just as a thumb rule you understand, and thereafter on current element you focus. What is the relevance between the two and all? Now, subject to that, now enum I explain. Enum I define. This is enum declaration. Enum is a keyword, and enum declaration and color. Color here enumerators R, G, and B. R represents red, G represents green, and B represents blue. Okay, now here color, enum type, color, this is the data type, enum type, data type, and my color I have defined, and now I initialized it with color dot g. Just to understand the syntax, color dot g. I have written, I initialized it. Now my color I am giving an argument to switch. Already we learned that switch can accept 4 plus 1. What are the 4? Primitive, byte, short, int, char type variables, and number 2 is it can accept wrapper class objects of 4 types, 4 wrapper class objects. Now additionally this is the one. Enum enumerators you can give here, and my color, color dot g you are giving, my color you are giving it here. Now you see, earlier I told you when you are writing characters, individual characters, single characters, then it should be enclosed by single quotes. But these are not characters. We are writing single character only. But these are different things. These are enum. So RGB you have written here. Now my color you pass. Then my color comes here, no matching, and comes here, matching is available. And what is the print line statement corresponding to this? Green. Green is printed. So this is the output. So this is the functionality of the switch statement. So switch statement, additional the two things you must learn. And one thing I am telling you, whenever we discuss wrapper classes, then you focus again on this. Then only you can have complete knowledge. Whenever we are discussing enumerations, then again you focus on this. Then only you can understand it 100%. This is the strategy of mastering Java. There is no other shortcut. So that's why again and again I am telling you, don't skip any concept. If you skip any concept, or otherwise if you study it precisely and all that, uh, you cannot understand the advanced concepts. So it is like a chain. The strength of the chain depends on the weakest link. So if you want your chain to be strengthy equally, each link in the chain should be uniform, having uniform strength. So every concept is like a link in the chain. That point always you remember and study and master the subject.